Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. As part of the Ramzan series, today's recipe would be the most easiest, crunchiest and yummy wet snack for iftar. Yes, I'm going to make fritters with baby corn. Friends, if you like this recipe and my video, please hit a like and share it with your family and friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now come, let's get started. I have taken 200 grams of baby corns for this recipe. Wash them well and wipe them. Take a corn and cut it like the way I'm doing. Cut at the center and again slit it to make four thin, pieces like strips like these. You can see how thin they are. Take a mixing bowl and add 1/3 cup of maida followed by 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. To this add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 3/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder followed by 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and dry mango powder 1/4 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice with half a teaspoon of garlic paste and half a teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 teaspoon salt or as required. Add water gradually to make a thick batter. The batter should not be in running consistency. So add water little by little, to bring it to that bhaji batter consistency. Now dip the baby corn piece into the batter and coat it with breadcrumbs like the way I'm doing. You don't have to pre-boil the baby corns as they are cut into thin strips like this. They will, get cooked well when we fry them in oil. If you want them to be more spicy, you can marinate these baby corns for about 15 to 20 minutes with some salt and red chili powder or pepper powder before, drenching them into the batter. Now they are ready. You can either fry them immediately or you can freeze them in Ziploc pouches or airtight containers for up to 2 weeks and fry whenever you want to. Just thaw them, for about 2 hours before frying. Now add oil into a pan for deep frying. Once the oil gets heated, completely simmer the stove and drop the corns one by one. And once you drop all the corns for the first batch of frying, slightly increase the heat and fry over a slow to medium flame. If you fry over a high flame, the breadcrumbs would get burnt and the baby corns would remain uncooked inside. So keep flipping them gently and fry them till they turn golden brown. Now they are done, place them over an absorbent paper to drain the excess oil. Now this is to show how crunchy they have turned out. Friends, please try this recipe and write your valuable feedback to me in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed Ramzan. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.